Alright guys, this is going to be System Test 3, the real System Test 3. The last one was not right because I didn't finish the system. Now I finished the fire alarm system just about, as much as I can do today. But it's not 100% done. Well, let me just say, the wiring's done, all the devices are up, it's just I haven't covered all the wiring up yet. And there are some expansions. There's 2 different devices. So there's 3 NACs and 2 pull stations, which I don't think I'm going to change anytime soon because I like this alarm setup. It's really cool. And yeah, so I'll just show it to you. And that last system test really didn't count. Alright, this is going to be the real system test for March. So, here we go. I have the Firelight BG12 not mounted still. Yes, I know. I'm going to get that mounted very soon. I've been saying that for a little while now. Alright, next device. Oh yeah, here's the panel. Crazy, isn't it? Lots of wiring. Yeah, lots of wires today. You'll see why in a second. I've got the flush mount spec alert. Ignore those wires, but yeah, you can see. That's never changing. Moving on over here, wires going up. Got a little spot right there, and the S2475 strobe. The first generation strobe too. You can see, yeah. And it says, this is NAC 3 and it's EOL, end of line. NAC 2 is put in the closet, which is the same as last time. The S24 1575W. It's fixed 1575 candela. That's also fixed 75 candela. This one's just set to 15 candela. And the new pull station. These wires go down through here. And here's this, like last time. Firelight BG12L. Another one. I was about to make this one addressable, but I decided not to. So everything's in there for addressable if I wanted to make it. But I didn't do that yet. I just haven't put on the module part itself because I don't want that on. Because if it's on, it would be addressable and it would not work. So, yeah. And the key can go on top of it while we're not using it. So, I don't think I'm going to change this system setup for a long time. I do like it how it is. If I ever did, I'd tell you. I still haven't put the System Sensor i3 smoke detector up. That's the last thing to go up. After I cover up all these wires. And the panel doesn't shut yet because there's still wires that aren't put in the panel all the way yet. So, but that's what it will somewhat be like. So all the devices are flush mounted except that pull station. Everything is flush on the wall. Flush mounted. Flush mounted. And in here, flush mounted and somewhat flush mounted. It has a back box in it, but yeah, underneath it, if you can see back there, but I guess it's flush mounted because it looks like it. The other one will be mounted on a box, so I can't do anything about the other pull station, but this one's flush mounted. So yeah, I'm not going to waste any more time. I think we should get this test started. That's set to code 3 low volume, and all the strobes are just going to be flashing. Now, one note about these strobes. The first generation and the second generation spectral alerts in here, those two, they synchronize. The white strobe in the closet goes crazy. I don't understand, because these two are second generation and they don't sync. Those two are different generations and they sync strobes. I don't understand. It's kind of strange. But 1 second, let me put my ear protection on. Ugh. Alright, get that on. 1 second. It's going to take a second. Ugh. Alrighty then. Wait 1 second. Sorry about that. Alright, so here we go. We will activate the other one in the closet first, I guess. So, here we go. In 5, 4... Oh, I'm kind of actually nervous to do this, so... Because these alarms are just so crazy loud. But whatever, here we go. Enough of my blubber blabber. 3, 2, 1. Man, it's loud through the ear protection. Ooh. me shut the door. There we go. There's a strobe flashing. That one's flashing at 75 candela. 15. That one's 1575. Alright. That wasn't too long, but that was just too loud. Let me just reset this pull station in here real quick. Let me just put the key up here. Looks better that way. And we'll reset the system. Alright, now we'll pull this one down here, the main pull station. It's falling off. Gee, that is loud. Alright. It's loud through the ear protection. Coming soon to this panel will be walk test feature. And I've already added a feature. Well, I kind of took away a feature. When you pull a pull station, you don't need to push system silence anymore. All you have to do is reset it. And it shuts off, see? Isn't that pretty cool? That's kind of my own little walk test. Instead of like just regular walk test, I kind of find that my own walk test. You just pull it. In order to shut it off, you just reset the pull when you're ready. I kind of find that a walk test, sort of. And, yeah, I gotta do something about that wire. It looks weird. It goes like in a loop. I just needed to use extra wire just to make sure I had enough. No, it won't. Yeah, it won't go in anymore because the screws that I used won't work properly. It's strange, but whatever. Yeah, that thing's loud. I call that the screaming alarm because it sounds like it's screaming at you. It's screaming at you to get out of the building. Yeah, I think I like the pattern that I have of all spectral alerts. Every single alarm is a spectral alert. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You know, I'm going to key activate a pull station. I'm going to key activate this one. Ready, set. And now we can key activate this one if I can get into it. Ugh, 1 second. Jeez. Okay, that didn't work. Whatever. System reset won't do anything for me. Now I gotta reset both of these. I'll reset this one first. There we go. And I'll reset this one. Kind of weird of a handle. It's kind of wiggly. Oh, panel door just hit me in the face. Thanks a lot, panel. And the emergency alert system is not being used right now, as you can see. I've got plenty of fire alarms hooked up, so I don't think I need the emergency alert system. I will probably hook that back up, though. Just going to need to figure out how to do that without getting the wires confused with the fire alarm system. That's a lot of wires. So is that. I've got a lot of wires in this panel now. That's one thing that I'm not sure that I like about it. It's just so many wires. But, I don't know if I can clean that up. Maybe I can a little bit. Make it look a little more professional. And yeah, I put that plate there. I guess I can take that down. That didn't work. There's like really no use for that plate. It just covers up the old holes from the old box. Sadly. So, yeah. You can see that they both have diagonal tape marks going from them. Oh, that's not going to work. I don't want the alarm to rip off again. See how it has tape marks there? And tape marks there. It's kind of funny how it's in the same spot. But, guess we can activate it one last time. I'll pull this one again, because this is the new zone. Everybody loves the new zone. Alright. Very wiggly handle. Yeah. You can push in a little more, too. Those two are in perfect sync. But that one's crazy, look. I think I'm going to get a system sensor sync module, I'm hoping, in order to synchronize all these. Oh wait, why am I opening up that pull station? That didn't help. Really. That pull station wasn't being used. Alright, we'll reset this. We'll take the key out, we'll put it on the top. And we will reset the system a final time. So, yeah, so this was the real System Test 3. I'm going to put real System Test 3 on there. Spectral alert above my bed at night now. If that goes off in the middle of the night, I'll be blinded. So, yeah, and this is where the system plugs in still. Watch, when I pull it, watch what happens when I do a it shuts off almost immediately. See? Those are bright strobes. Sheesh. Alright, I'm going to take off this hearing protection now once I reset the system and make sure everything's all good. Alright. We're good. I can take off that hearing protection. That's annoying. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this system test. Oh, yeah, here's my spare keys with the removal tool for Spectral Alerts. I've got two removal tool models. This one and the one in the closet. That one's the screwdriver model, which I kind of like. It's kind of unique about it. That's what's unique. Yeah, but this one doesn't have the horn. That's the only difference. And it's not multi-candela. No horn. Horn. I like doing that. That's fun. I don't know why. It's addicting though to do that. Yeah, so stay tuned for Mini System Test 3, I think. Mini System Test 3. I've got a little surprise in the little mini system that I'm building. And you'll see that because I kind of made my Potter T-Bar adjustable now. I'm still planning on putting the Potter T-Bar back up on this system. I've got something for the Potter T-Bar to make it adjustable, but it's pulled right now. This is probably the one I'll probably put in here. Even though it doesn't match, I'd still probably be the one to put in. Let me just put that back now. Alright guys, so that's about it for this system test. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Hunter Fire Alarm channel stuff. Hunter Fire Alarms will be back. Or Hunter will be back. Me. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice day. See you later, guys.